All right, let's go. He's still on the passenger side of the van.
Block him, block him.
Let's see your hands. Let's see your hands. Get your hands up. Oh, he's got a gun in his hand. He's got a gun in his hand.
Watch.
He's got a pistol in his hands. Watch the corner.
I hear a lot of movement back here in the back. There he is. There he is. Hey, drop the gun! Drop the gun! He's got a rifle. He's got a rifle. Drop the gun! Drop the gun!
He's taking a prone.
Drop the gun! Hey, he's taking a prone position.
He's right there in front of me. He's right in front of me. Hey, watch out. Watch out. Prone out. Go. Hey, not moving. Not moving. Can you see him? Yeah, I got him. In the grass. Get some hot cover, man. No, I got him. I see him.
You see him?
Yeah, I see him. I'm gonna just stand there. Hey. Yeah. Let's get a vehicle here.
Hey, yeah, let's get some more cover.
Yeah, he's face.
Coming on your other side.
Face down.
Yep.
Yep. Move it to you. No. Hold what you got.
550. Right. Bring up 550. Shot fired. Shot fired. Alpha 550. Drive. Delta radio, please.
On from that tree right there. See the long gun right there, right under him? All right, he's moving his head.
I can't see the pistol.
Right.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Sook. Thirst.
All right, let's try to pull him off away from that. You want to move from the side? Maybe get a side?
Hey, he's not.
Hey, he's moving his head still. He's moving his head.
Rifle to the right?
Just right?
Yeah, that's a rifle right under him.
He's got a pistol too.
Yeah.
Copy that. He does have a pistol.
See if we
Copy
can,
that.
see if we get it. Grab and launch, pull.
There.
I think he's
Marcus.
He's pushing up actually.
Marcus, off.
Yeah,
Boy. Marcus, off.
Yeah, he's grabbing him by the head.
Yeah,
but
we
need to get him off of that.
Yeah.
All right, I think he's not moving pretty well. You want to go and push, step on arms?
Let's push. Let's
All right.
push.
Hold on, wait. Let me get my dog. Give me a second. Off.
We still good on the right side?
Off.
Just
All
hold
right.
up. Yeah, bring your dog back and down.
Back away a little bit so I can have a little bit of room. I don't want him to bite you. Speed up.
Go ahead.
Let me
Marcus,
glove up. Yeah.
seats.
Yeah, wait, we're gonna who's medic over there? Bring him around over behind us.
All right.
He's got a pistol.
Can you see him breathing?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
He's still
No,
alive.
just
All right,
know
he's
what you
alive.
got. I don't want to crossfire on this
He's
one.
alive. He's got the gurgle type of breathing.
All right.
Do not reach, man.
Hey, we got hard cover. You're gonna grab pistols, weapons.
Yes.
All right.
Listen, hey, bring your dog back a little more.
Yeah, let's pass by him.
Here.
All right, we're good to move.
Watch the
Yeah.
slippery
Oh, yeah.
Frank.
Yep.
You good? I got y'all.
Hold on. Hold on.
Who's good? We're good.
Hey.
Don't do
Hey,
it,
keep
man.
your hands out to your side.
You see both of his hands?
I see his right hand, see his left hand.
I see his right hand. You see his left hand?
Yeah, I got right hand.
I got
Yeah.
both hands.
All right. LT, you take care of firearms.
I got it.
Keep your hands to your side. Do not move.
Do not move, brother.
All right,
We want to help you.
we're not sure the pistol is.
Don't know where the pistol's at. Pretty big size.
What? That's not. It's not in his head.
Nope. Must have paw. Look deep in the jacket. Deep in the jacket.
Yeah. All right, hey, look around for a pistol over here.